Meanwhile, Karnataka has now become the fifth state to impose a complete ban on firecrackers ahead of Diwali. Chief Minister Yediyurappa announced that crackers have been banned, keeping COVID-19 pandemic in mind. Well, this after the Delhi government yesterday announced a complete ban on fireworks. The ban will come into effect from the 7th of November till the 30th. The ban on firecrackers has been announced ahead of an important National Green Tribunal hearing later today. Earlier, Rajasthan, West Bengal and Odisha imposed unilateral complete bans on the sale and use of firecrackers. Violators in Rajasthan and Odisha will also face action. Meanwhile, Haryana has imposed a ban on the possession and sale of imported firecrackers.
ಚರ್ಚೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ದೀಪಾವಳಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಪಟಾಕಿಯನ್ನು ಆರಿಸೋದನ್ನು ನಿಷೇಧ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋ ತೀರ್ಮಾನ ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಚರ್ಚೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಆದೇಶ ಹೊರಡಿಸೋರಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಈ ಕೋವಿಡ್ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಈ ಬಾರಿ ಪಟಾಕಿಯನ್ನು ಆರಿಸೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಷೇಧ ಮಾಡೋರಿದ್ದೇವೆ.
Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal appealed to citizens not to use crackers this Diwali. Listen.
दिल्ली सरकार ने पूसा इंस्टीट्यूट के साथ मिलके दिल्ली के लोगों ने एक समाधान दिया है कि अब पराली जलाने की जरूरत नहीं है. पराली के अंदर हम केमिकल अगर डाल दें, पूसा इंस्टीट्यूट ने एक केमिकल बनाया है, अगर वो केमिकल का छिड़काव कर दें तो 20 दिन के अंदर पराली जो है वो खाद में कन्वर्ट हो जाती है. इससे अच्छी बात और क्या हो सकती है. इस बार भी हम लोग सब लोग मिलके दिवाली मनाएंगे. पटाखे नहीं जलाएंगे, किसी भी हालत में अपने को पटाखे नहीं जलाने. अगर पटाखे जलाएंगे अपने ही बच्चों की जिंदगी के साथ खेल रहे हैं हम लोग, अपने ही परिवार की जिंदगी के साथ खेल रहे हैं, अपने दिल्ली के परिवार की जिंदगी के साथ खेल रहे हैं.
Nolan Pinto live with me from Bengaluru. Milan Sharma with me from Delhi. Nolan, to you first. Karnataka becoming the latest state to impose a complete ban on firecrackers this festive season.
Well, Shiv, absolutely, that's right. In fact, based on the recommendations of the COVID Technical Advisory Committee, the Chief Minister has actually taken this decision. In fact, the Health Minister, Dr. Sudhakar, did give hints a few days ago that the Chief Minister might take such a decision. Now, why they've taken this, everyone knows it's because of COVID-19. But what we're hearing is this. The Chief Minister said that it is better for those who are actually suffering, who are in home quarantine, who have mild symptoms of COVID-19, and also those who have actually recuperated. Their lungs are susceptible, and that's one of the reasons why the advisory committee recommended that it would be better to actually ban people from actually bursting crackers. But we still have to wait for the notification, Shiv, because we need to know whether even the sale of the crackers is also banned, because if they do not ban the sale of crackers, then how would they actually keep track of those who are buying it and then ultimately bursting it?
Very important. How is enforcement going to actually play out in Delhi? Also, you know, after a plea and an appeal from the Chief Minister, Milan, a ban has been imposed in the national capital as well. But tell us about the hearing that's coming up at the National Green Tribunal. You know, how is that going to square up with the bans that we're seeing across states, especially in Delhi?
Well, Shiv, after the plea was put in front of the National Green Tribunal, the main issue was that they had taken a suo motu notice and sent these notices to 18 more states, some of whom, as you just mentioned, have already imposed a ban. Delhi was supposed to reply to the National Green Tribunal by today by submitting to them a health report and a status report of how the air quality is turning out in the national capital. Before that itself, Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal has taken the decision to ban crackers. This will include green crackers as well. And if there's a question of implementation, that also means that the sale and purchase of crackers will also be banned. And despite that, we know that people are still bursting crackers, although the ban comes into effect from 7th of November. So, of course, the sale will also not be allowed. And definitely, crack teams from the CPCB, which is the Central Pollution Control Board, as well as the Delhi Police and civic authorities in the national capital will have to impose it on the ground. But Shiv, as I said yesterday, states like Uttar Pradesh and Punjab will also need to do something about the firecrackers, because the neighboring states and air sharing is the problem that Delhi suffers with as the air quality continues to deteriorate every year.
Thanks, Milan and Nolan, for getting us the latest on that. A few days left till Diwali, and with each passing day, more and more states joining the list of states that have banned firecrackers.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.